Alright, I got some new tubes for my wheelbarrow tires, so we're going to assemble these, air them up, get some projects done. Alright, just going to put a little bit of air in to get that in there centered right, and then we will start putting it together. Okay, just a little bit of air. Alright, it says to go up to 30, but we're going to do about 20. That feels pretty good, like that. We've got some new tires for our wheelbarrow. We can get to working. And these are 10-inch tubes for tube tires, and these are the split wheels. Those are the easiest to change. They may not be the most sturdy and you can't use tubeless tires, but they are easy to change for someone who doesn't have tire changing tools.